Yeah, what I need is another set of these shelves. Well, here I am building the set of shelves. I'm going to play this in at a very fast speed because it took me nearly an hour, and that's fairly boring. I have put on a little bit of jazz in the background there just to fill in the gaps because I don't have a full commentary for this. But anyway, we start with putting the bracketed shelf together. Only one of the shelves has brackets. So I kind of fell in the trap here of thinking that I've done this before, I know what I'm doing, and I looked at the instructions, but I didn't look that carefully at them. You can see I got to there and realised that I put that bracket on the wrong place, so change it out again. I've just chosen just to use a screwdriver to do these up. None of them at this stage need to be done very tight. The legs of course can be done up tight because once they're done. But even at that I didn't see there was a need to use an impact driver or a cordless drill. I'll just do them up by hand, tighten them with a screwdriver. I didn't even bother using a spanner on the back of the nuts. That's the bit where my wife came home from work, so I went out and said hello, gave her a kiss, and came back in and went back onto this. I'm currently at home because it's been raining for a few days and nobody wants to do concrete when it's raining, so the boss said don't bother coming in. Bit of a pain because I'm casual, so I'm not getting paid, but anyway, gave me a chance to catch up on a few things. I'm not usually listening to jazz. I normally like a bit of punk or hard rock or metal, but I don't expect everyone to like the same things I do, and a little bit of jazz is not offensive, so I just thought I'd play it in the background. This is from the YouTube royalty-free music library. So anyway, just coming up to another bit here where it was raining so darn hard that I just had to shut the door and start again the next day. So here we go, putting the shelves in, and it's about sometime around now where I glanced at the instructions and realised that I had put the other shelf in the wrong place, but I'm not going to pull it apart now to change it. The one I put near the centre joint should have been the one above it, but anyway, I don't believe it's really here nor there. Bit here where you look at how many nuts and bolts you've got left, figure out whether or not you've forgotten a few pieces here and there. I got the end and I had one bolt and two nuts left, and that's about normal for these units. find when you put the feet on, a little bit of persuasion can help them. The angle on the plastic is a little bit sharper than the angle on the metal, so but a few tappity tappers and away she goes. Anyway, nearly there. Just getting it all sorted out to make sure that it is all level and square, and then we'll put it to use. And there's the unit in use in my shed. I just needed a little bit more space to store stuff, keep it off the ground. Now these things are ridiculously cheap, although I can't see them on the Bunnings website. They now have the double unit for $27. A little bench beside it, I think it was $25. Very light duty, you wouldn't put much weight on it. The workbench has a weight rating of 50 kilos, so good for nothing but keeping my toolkit on. I certainly won't be putting the mini bike on there to dismantle it or anything. But yeah, I just need a little bit more storage space, so yeah, that'll do it for now. It was relatively easy to put together, and yeah, no worries. Thanks for that. See ya.